Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are about to implement Facebook reward interstitial ad inside our Compose project. So this is what we are about to build. This is a top app bar, nothing's here. And here are two buttons. One is to load our ad, another is to show our ad. When we click load reward interstitial ad, we get a toast message, the ad is loaded. And when we click on show reward ad, this is what we get. The ad is displayed here. If we click this, we get this is by Facebook itself. We have not done anything here. If we click on watch ad will continue. If we click on lose rewards, that ad will finish. Okay, so this is what we will be implementing and show you how to implement Facebook reward interstitial ad in our Compose project. So before we start, if you find this video helpful, do hit that like button, and if you find or like Android related content, do subscribe to our channel. So for implementing Facebook reward interstitial ad, we do need this Facebook dependency. This is the dependency I have added in our version catalog file, and the Facebook SDK version is 6.17.0. This is the version. And after adding dependency in our version catalog, we also have to mention in our app level build.gradle file, this app level build.gradle file here. I have added this dependency, and after adding dependency, let's add some permission. And this permission I have added. This permission is for interactive with the internet, and this ad ID if you plan to publish your app in Play Store or anywhere else online. And this hardware acceleration is optimization or from Facebook. You must add this in your application here as well as in your activity. This one. This is it. You add this both here, and after that, let's go to our main activity. And in main activity, there is nothing new as I have explained earlier. This output, this top app bar, and this row 1 button, load reward and show reward. Okay. After this, I've explained. This is the class I have created, Facebook reward interstitial ad, and pass activity as parameter. And as soon as this class gets initiated, this init block also get executed. In this init block, I have initialized our Facebook SDK and passed this activity here. And then this line add setting.set test mode to true. Without this line, you will get a error, no fill ads. You will not receive any ad from Facebook without this line or this line. You have to initialize first and add this line also. Without this line, you will not get any error, any ad from Facebook. So must add this line while debugging. In developing phase, but in production you don't need this, or you can set this to false. And after this, this is a variable to store our reward ad here. And after this, I have created another this is a reward ad listener to listen to our ad callback here. Created this listener on error. I have implemented here a toast to show on error. And when the ad is loaded, we have displayed another toast to show ad is loaded. That's it. And after the ad gets displayed fully, ad completes itself. So I have set this variable to null. And if the ad doesn't display full and the user closes it, then also I've set this value to null. And here are two functions. One is to load interstitial ad, another is to show reward interstitial ad. And in the parameter, I have passed this context. When this load reward interstitial ad function is called, I have checked here. If it's null, then only we will load our ad. If it's not null, that means the ad is loaded. So we don't load this reward ad again. So after this, I have initialized this reward interstitial ad and passed this context from here and the ad ID. I have stored this in a string.xml file, and from there I am using this. And after that, I have called the load ad function. Inside load ad function, I have passed this build load ad config and added this listener. To add listener, we have to write this way and pass this listener here, as I have created this here, and pass this listener here to listen to our ad callback. That's it. This will load our ad, and after this, show reward interstitial ad will show our ad. We are checking that if the ad is loaded. If it's true, then only show the ad. If it's not loaded, then will not show any ad. This is it. This is the class reward interstitial ad, and after this, activity, and this I have initialized this class in remember function inside reward ad variable, and after that, when we get a click on this load reward ad button, this section reward ad dot load reward interstitial, and pass this as a context. This we are in main activity, that's why I've used this. If you are in compose, any compose, inside any compose, then you may know like how to get a context. If you are not sure, you can check any other video of mine. I have showed you how to get context. But if you are main activity, you can use this as context. Okay. And show reward interstitial ad, you don't need a context for Facebook, so I haven't passed anything here. So this is it. Run again. If you have any question regarding this video or Facebook ads, you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you have any doubt, I could not explain any code or anything, you can also ask me in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, do hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and related videos. That's it. And if you're not sure what is the difference between reward ad and reward interstitial ad, I have tried to explain that in AdMob reward interstitial ad video in the ending part. I hope that will clear your doubt. If still you have any doubt, you can ask me in this video comment section. I'll try to explain, or I'll make a separate video about when to use reward ad and when to use reward interstitial ad. What is the code difference between this two type of ads? There are difference in term of earning also, okay. So if you want to know, like, so you can comment down in the section. If there are many comments, I'll make a separate video on that. Thank you guys. See you guys again in another video. Thank you.